Hello, I'm audible, sir?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, it is audible.
Yes, sir. Very good morning to all of you. My name is Vishwas Hase. I am the librarian at Rajaram Bapu Institute of Technology, Rajaram Nagar, Islampur district, Sangli, Maharashtra. And thank you very much, Shrimant, Babasaheb, Deshmukh, Mahavidyalaya, Atpadi, Professor Praveen Mani, sir, librarian of the institute and convener of the national webinar. Professor Mohan Hazare, head of the department, political science, Shrimant Babasaheb Deshmukh, Mahavidyalaya, Atpadi, and co-convener of the webinar. Dr. Shivaji Vibhute, IQC coordinator. It's a very nice and sweet introduction for me. Also, thank you very much, Dr. Subhash Karandi, sir, former principal, Shrimant Babasaheb Deshmukh, Mahavidyalaya, Atpadi, and vice president of the Atpadi Education Society. Thank you, Vijay Londe, sir, Dr. Vijay Londe, sir, principal, SMBT Mahavidyalaya, Atpadi, for inviting me as a resource person on the occasion of one-day national webinar on academic veracity can now digitally enhance. Now, without further delay, I will start my presentation. Before we get started, I would like to tell you that if you have any question during the presentation, please raise your hand or type them into the chat box. We will bring them up to during the presentation, and we will also have time for question at the end. So I will start my presentation. Just I'll start my slide. This slide is visible, sir? Mane, sir?
Absolutely, sir. It is visible, sir.
Yeah. So, academic changes after the COVID-19. In this pandemic situation, lots of changes in academic after the COVID-19. First is the distance classes. Use of e-platform for teaching and learning purpose. Another is the online evaluations. Most of the colleges, deemed universities, and institutes are focusing on the online evaluation of the courses by their own. Then documentation in a digital form. Use of the drive and other digital sources is being used for the documentation purpose. And one is the more focus on digital data collection. Nowadays, researchers use the data which can be collected through the digital form, like Google Form, online IDIs, etc. Definitely, their effect on research. Research has been affected in a negative way. While it is true that non-lab-based research can be carried on through the student preservation and the contact with the mentor through telephone calls or emails. But one-to-one correspondence with the face-to-face discussion has no substitute. So in many cases where secondary data are needed, the student cannot visit the sources like institute itself, libraries, offices, as all the data are not available online. Similarly, primary data collection has also stopped since visiting source is hidden and hence research is severely hampered. And last one is the mentorship. Mentorship improves only when there is a face-to-face correspondence. In the lab-based subject, research is a totally start. Doctoral research has been hindered both in primary and advanced stages. So, in this situation, academic writing tools and research software. In the first step is the research writing tools and software. Whether you are writing an article, research paper, dissertation, blog, or PhD thesis, it is important to choose an appropriate writing software tools for your work. The choice of writing software comes down to your personal taste. First is the MS Word. MS Word is the most widely used tool in the writing community. It comes with the great feature and keep evolving the each version. Some of the popular features including grammar and spell checker, thesaurus, text formatting, aligning, bulleting, numbering, inserting watermark, then page number, header and footer, ready-made templates, mail merge. You can install plenty of third-party plugins and apps enhance your experience. A good choice of plugins can you save you a lot of time and efforts you are writing. You can use Office Online for free and save your document in the cloud. all you need a Microsoft account. If you need a desktop version, then you have to purchase a copy. Some universities offer free copies to students. Then Office 365 offers a subscription model that allow to you install a latest version of MS Office up to 5 computer. Also, you will also have access to online version of MS Office and up to 1 GB cloud storage. Second one is a writing tool for LaTeX. LaTeX is a typesetting system for communication and publication of scientific document. It is a free software. The writer writes in plain text and then adds some makeup text, stylish text. LaTeX is widely used for publishing scientific papers, theses, and books in the many fields. LaTeX offers a widely variety of features, including cross-referencing table, figures, bibliography management, page layout, chapters, section headings, numbering. Most publishers make a LaTeX template available along with MS Word template as a part of the author submission instructions. Then next tool is OpenOffice. OpenOffice is an open source product that is a copycat of MS Office. It is a completely free and suite of products which offers including Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Access, plus a vector graphic editor. The default file format OpenOffice is an open document format, that is ODF. OpenOffice is available for Windows, Linux, and Mac OS. Also, tools distributed under the Apache license. Many paid features of MS Office, such as PDF export, are available for free in the OpenOffice. There are no hidden charges for add-ins and upgrades. The tool supports over the 40 languages, including the grammar and spell checkers. Then next tool is LibreOffice. LibreOffice is a free open office suite that is similar to open offices. LibreOffice teams leads to release very frequently update with a major and a minor feature increment. But OpenOffice project tends to release new version with the major features update. LibreOffice enjoy a better recognitions among the Linux community as it comes packaged with the Linux where areas you must download and install OpenOffice manually. Then next one is a Scrivener. Scrivener is a writing tool that allow you write and manage a long documents such as a PhD thesis or novel with a lot of chapters, sections, subsections, etc. But Scrivener is not a free software. You can get a copy for approximately near about $45, and it is available for the both Windows and Mac PCs. Then next one is the Google Docs. Google Docs, everyone knows about the Google applications like Google Docs. Google Docs is a web-based writing software offered by Google. Then the suite includes Google Docs, Google Sheets, Google Slides, which is a simplified version of MS Word, MS Excel, and MS PowerPoint respectively. You can create and edit files online. Also, one of the powerful features of Google Docs is the ability to collaborate with the other user online. The changes made by multiple users on the same document are highlighted with the user specific color. Is the main feature of the powerful feature of Google Docs. Then the Dropbox Paper, another tool for writing. Dropbox Paper is a similarity paper, is a web-based document editing service developed by Dropbox. Paper is broadly similar to Google Docs, and functionally it has a very lightweight interface, and it is capable for supporting a wide variety of content, including images, Google Spreadsheet, data, and GitHub, YouTube videos, support playlists, etc. Plain code. The next one is the reference tools and reference management software. So referencing tools are handy to organize and format references so that you can easily incorporate them in your research paper, research dissertation, and PhD thesis. There are many terms used for such tools, such as referencing software, referencing tool, referencing management software, citation paper software, citation manager, then research management tool, bibliography software, literature review software, literature management software, research paper organizer. This all refers to a piece of software or an online tool that allow you to store and format references. It is very important that you choose the right tool for your research and stick to it. We have used some popular referencing tool and academic writing perspective. First tool is a Zotero. Zotero is a free referencing tool that allow you to collect, cite, organize, and share research sources. Zotero comes with the browser extension that automatically sends content in your web browser, allowing you to add it to your personal library with the single click. It is automatically pick up the nature of the text display in the page and display relevant icon in the address bar. Zotero automatically phrase metadata of PDF file and extract citation information and adds into the library. You can include a reference in your text by similarly dragging and dropping citation files from Zotero library into your document. Zotero supports all the major citation format. Next one is the Mendeley. Mendeley is a free referencing manager and social network that help you organize research, collaborate online, and discover new research. You can sign up for Mendeley account online and install the Mendeley desktop tool on your computer. You can import paper into Mendeley library from your hard drive by simply dragging and dropping files. You can also import reference lists from other reference managers by searching various web databases, papers through Mendeley Liter search. You can synchronize your libraries to the cloud to access them anywhere. Mendeley writing add-ins are available for MS Word and LibreOffice, which enable you to insert reference into your article and generate a bibliography list. Then next one is the EndNote. EndNote is a reference management tool that allow you to import reference directly from online sources such as PubMed, Web of Science, Library of Congress, etc. Also, you can import references by uploading a list of references in citation manager format. Alternatively, you can manually input the references if it is unpublished sources. You can insert reference in the document as you write using EndNote. Then next one is RefWorks. RefWorks tools is a reference management software quite similarly to EndNote. RefWorks is a web-based reference database stored online. Then the references can be accessed to update any computer with the internet connection. Next one is the Citwi. Citwi is a reference management tool that combines referencing with the task management. Citwi allows user to search for sources, analyze content, structure, ideas, and write a paper. You can import a PDF by dragging and dropping files and add books and articles using ISBN number. When you find information on the web, then you can use Citwi browser plugins to import quotations, pictures, and web pages to Citwi library. Then next tool is the Paperpillar. Paperpillar is a Google Doc add-on for managing your referencing and bibliography. It is a very useful tool for using Google Docs for writing paper instead of MS Word. Paperpillar is attached to your Google account. You can download this app from the Google Play Store. There is a basic version available for free, and you can upgrade for new dollars in a premium version. One of the big advantages of the Paperpillar is that it works very well with other citation managers such as Zotero and EndNote. Paperpillars allow you to import Zotero and EndNote citation into the Google Docs. You can insert citation, format citation, and generate a bibliography in a wide variety of formats. You can easily import paper from Google Scholar into the Paperpillar. Next tool is a JabRef. JabRef is a reference management tool for the LaTeX. The tools allow to manage citation and general bibliography by using LaTeX as your writing medium. This is a free tool as well as maintain. Next is a Papers. Papers is a citation manager and reference management tool that allow users to discover, organize, read, annotate, and share research. Paper tool is available for both Windows and Mac PCs. It comes with all the basic and functionality offered by the other reference manager. Also, some useful features are unique to Papers. You can search multiple search engines that at the same time for keyword and view one set of result. This is also useful feature in the Papers. Then the Docker. Docker tools. Dockers help you to find relevant literature and remember all the things you read in the literature. Docker is a free tool and it is available for the Windows and Mac and Linux operating system. So next slide is a research tool and software. Research tools and software. If you are conducting research, it's very important that you have appropriate method and tools to carry out your research. If you are a non-native English speaker, then you need a research tool and they help you within your writing language. If your research involves data analysis, then you need a good statistic research tool for your work. It is also important that you keep tab on what other people in your research area are doing. So you need a research tool such as a Google Scholar and ResearchGate to collaborate with your peers. Also, you need a good plagiarism checking software to avoid academic misconduct. Finally, you need a research project management software to stay on the top of the deadline. We will review some useful tools for research and that researcher can use to more productive. First is Ref and Write. Ref and Write is a fantastic research tool for beginners writers and non-native English speaker. This is a Microsoft Word add-ins tool. This tool allows user to import research paper into MS Word. Then the tool allow you to search to research document while you are writing your research paper or academic easy. In essence, this tool is a similar Google search engine. The difference is that instead of searching the internet, you are searching research paper and academic documents stored on the computer. Ref and Write also feature text to voice option that helps you pick up grammatical errors and sentence structural issues. It's a very important features in Ref and Write, text to voice option. Then next one is the online statistic testing tool. One of the most important requirement while writing up your research is the use of appropriate statistic method and analysis to break back your claims. Whether you are doing quantitative or qualitative research or statistical analysis will be indefectible part of your workflow. There are plenty of research tools available that allow you to do a wide variety of statistical analysis for your research. However, the most of the time you will find yourself performing basic calculation stuff such as a mean, standard deviation, confidence intervals, standard errors, etc. to make your work sound scientifically. So next one is the Microsoft Excel. All are knows the Microsoft Excel, one of the widely used tool for research in Microsoft Excel. MS Excel has a plenty of feature that will come to handy when you are doing a research project. Excel is a must-have research tool if you are study involved in a lot of quantitative analysis. Excel offers a wide range of statistical functions such as average, mean, max, sum, etc. That you can apply to the cell in few clicks. You can visualize your data using a wide variety of chart types, for example, bar plot, scatter plot, etc. You can use pivot tables to organize and generate summaries of your data easily. For complex statistic analysis, you can use the data analytic tool, Park Excel add-in. This add-ins comes with the wide variety of statistical analysis tools, such as the descriptive statistic, histograms, F-test, random number generation for your analytics, etc. So next tool is the Google Scholar. Google Scholar is a free online research tool offered by Google. This tool allows users to search for academic literature, scientific articles, journals, white papers, patent across the web. This is an excellent tool for research. It is not only searches well-known databases, it is also look for article in university repositories. So you chance to finding the full text PDF of the research article after that very high. You can set up the keywords also so that the Google Scholar notify that when there is a new article you find field or from on your co-authors. You can manage multiple library of papers. You can label paper or article, and Google Scholar will organize them for you. Google Scholar displays vital information about the article such as citation number, version, and other article citation and current article. After that, Google Scholar also alert you if somebody else has cited your paper. You can download citation in a wide variety of formats like MLA, APA, Chicago, Harvard, etc., etc. And you can easily export the citation and EndNote and other bibliography managers. One of the whole Google Scholar is an indisciplinable tool for the researcher. Then the ResearchGate tool. ResearchGate is a social networking site for the people doing research. The site contains more than 11 million members, that including scientists, academic, PhD students, researchers, librarians, like that. Users can create an account using a valid institutional email address. Once successfully, they can create a profile, upload your picture, list of publication, upload their full text paper. ResearchGate is a perfect research tool for researchers and academics looking for a collaboration. You can follow updates from your colleagues or peers with the similar interests. You will be notified if somebody reads or cite your paper, and also you will know if your people are following your published new research. You can email other members and request for the full text and their listed publication. ResearchGate also computes RG score based your profile and publications. Then important tool that the plagiarism checker. Plagiarism is a sin in the academic misconduct. Okay, plagiarism is not taken lightly by academic and research institute and is punished and penalized severely. Plagiarism occurs when you copy and paste a large chunk of the text from a document written by someone else without giving credit to the author. This is a sin and copy and the taking credits for somebody work. Even if you have perhaps in the text and use your text, it will still be seen a plagiarism. One of the common form of a plagiarism is self-plagiarism. Self-plagiarism is the use of one's own previous work to another content without a citing that it was used previously. This is because of once you publish your work, the publisher hold and copyright for your text. So you need and either get permission from the publisher to reuse the text and you should cite the sources. There are plenty of plagiarism detection software and online checking tools available that you can use to check much of the text overlap. Then the project management tool. It is a very easy for your research project to go out of hands when you are multitasking and dealing a multiple deadline. It is a good practice to choose a project management tool to keep on the top for your research project. Then grammar checker. Next one is next tool is a grammar checker and the sentence correction tool. When you are writing your paper, it is very important to ensure that your document does not contain typos, grammatical errors, bad sentence structure. Your work will be badly judged if you English is bad displays the good content. For non-native English speaker, it's present a particular challenges because of the difficulties of mastering English vocabularies, grammars, and usage. So first tool is that the MS Word Spelling and Grammar Checker. MS Word Spelling and Grammar Checker can help you reduce error in your document. The Spelling and Grammar Checker in the world is turned on by the default. If it is not, then you can activate your grammar corrector by pressing F7 on keyboard. F7 key दबाने के बाद now MS Word Spelling Grammar automatically turn on हो जाता है if our function is disabled. Then the spell checker pretty much capture most of the typos and spelling errors in your document. MS Word comes with the thesaurus, which offers a comprehensive list of synonymous. You can use these. You can use these to find alternative words for your text. The grammar checker will provide hints and ideas to improve the sentence structure and readability. This includes check for verb tense, singular, plural, and the subject-verb disagreement. It comes with the basic function checker that looks for the very basic functions errors in the text. Then next tool is the Grammarly. Grammarly is an English grammar correction app. Grammarly comes in the different form: web GUI, plugins for the MS Word, and the web IDs for the browsers. When you start Grammarly, it goes through your text and underlines grammar mistakes. It has a found in your document. It also provided details explanation as to why grammar think that you made a mistake. Grammarly is a much more sophisticated regarding grammar and spell checking. Grammarly help you to identify repetitive words, typos, wrong prepositions, lengthy sentence, overused words, and passive voice. You can specify the types of document you are writing. This could be an academic paper, blog, an article, and business document, so on. The Grammarly provides suggestions appropriate to types of document. One of the best feature of Grammarly is the punctuation checker. Is one of the best feature of Grammarly. It picks up more punctuation errors than MS Word and provides a very good explanation to the user. Then next tool is the Pro Writing Aids. Pro Writing Aids is the same software as a Grammarly tool to English checking features and Pro Writing Aid. Next one is a correct English tool. Correct English tool is a spelling and grammar checker powered by the artificial intelligence algorithms. So correct English tools provide feedback to writers on the organization focus, content, and style. You can use correct English using a web interface. You can download document in the MS Word format or publish it directly to the web pages. There is no need for physical installation in the machine. Since documents are stored in the online, you can access the document anywhere there is internet connection. It is easy to share and collaborate document with the colleagues or other group members to get feedback. Then the Correct English tool provides feedback in the 7 languages like Spanish, German, Hindi, English, traditional Chinese. This is a pretty handy and non-native English speaking student. One of the major advantages of the tool is that you must be connected to the internet to use it since it is a cloud. The application also includes a translation tool to 7 languages. Next tool is a Style Writer. Style Writer is a writing enhancement software. All through it pick up the grammatical errors and typos. Then next tool is a Whitesmoke. Another one is a Whitesmoke is one of the oldest English grammar checker, and it's a writing enhancement tool. The manufacturer of this software claimed that the tool contains more than 6 million enrichment correction plus around the 7+ million grammar corrections. Whitesmoke is comparable to other English grammar checking and the correction tools in picking up the grammatical errors and typos. One of the best features of Whitesmoke is the expanded dictionary and the thesaurus. It is one of the best features in the Whitesmoke. Then Ginger software. Ginger is another grammar checking that has been around a few years. This is a grammar checker pickups all the basic grammatical errors. Next tool is the online grammar checking sites. There is many sites. There are plenty of the online grammar checking sites. These sites provides service for free. They generate revenue from the ads shown on their website. These tools are capable for picking up only very basic grammatical errors and typos. I will be surprised if these errors are not picked by MS Word. Hence, at some sites, you can try and make your judgment yourself. And these are the websites